All right, this is the mercado we were at this morning when they were just setting up everything. Oh, do you see what they have? Compromiso. Where'd you get the elotes? Más.
Derecho.
Derecho. All right, gracias. Hey, you see those elotes? We're going for elotes. Oh wow, look at this. You guys want some of this?
What is it?
Let's see what they're putting in. Probably frijoles and cheese, maybe. Looks like cheese. These are probably quesadillas. The way they make them down here. Buenas tardes. Here, let's get out of the trap. I want to see what these are. We haven't had any food today, just popcorn and candy. ¿Qué es de carne? ¿Es el pollo?
Pollo y carne.
Okay, papas? No.
Papa también hay, quesadilla o taco con papas.
Okay, ¿cuántos pesos?
25.
Okay, 3, por favor.
Taco. ¿O de este?
Sí, ¿qué es?
Guarache. Lleva bistec o puede llevar pollo y vale 43. El taco 25.
Okay, so those are 43 and a taco is 25. Okay, but I think we can find some a little bit better than that because the ones we ate the other day were like 20 pesos for the same thing. Okay, all right, gracias. Okay.
I think that guy that was cooking them was looking right at us like, nope.
Yeah, he's like, nope, charge them more. Their skin is a different color than us. Yeah, you know I don't like that. Alright. Yeah, it's hard to tell because they give us a price and then change the price. Yeah. Alright, keep an eye out for the elotes, the corns. I want a corn. Here we got some fruits. Jugo, let's see how much. Hola.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. ¿Cuántos pesos?
De a 20 y a 30.
Okay. Do you guys want one or do you just want to share one?
Is there Jamaica?
Jamaica, see? That's Jamaica? Okay.
The small one. Though,
You want a small one? Un pequeño Jamaica, por favor? What about you? You don't want anything? Hey, you need to put some food in your stomach. So what do you want?
I just want fruit.
¿Tiene sandía? ¿Qué? ¿O fresa? ¿Fresa or sandía? They got watermelon.
Gracias.
No? Okay, un grande también Jamaica, por favor. You can just share mine with me, Catherine. So 30 for a big one, 20 for a little one. That's... What are you getting? No, you can share the Jamaica juice. Get out the bag. Here, hold that. Drink some. All right, we're still on a mission for food. We need food. Look at all the fruit over there. There's piña. Gracias, buen día.
Gracias, hasta luego, gracias.
Let's see how much the...
I see fruit cups, Dad.
Okay, yeah, there you go. Let's do fruit cups. Buenas tardes. ¿Cuántos pesos de vaso de fruta?
A 25.
Okay. Bueno, es perfecto. Okay. Es todo...
Sí, patrón, tengo, es de melón, sandía, piña y tuna, patrón.
Okay, we're gonna get one. Uno, por favor.
Uno,
eso. Es sal.
sal, limón.
Limón con sal, por favor.
Permiso, patrón.
This is how you do it, man.
There's fruit salads right there, too.
This is why we're so resistant to some of the places we shop and the prices they give us, because we can find these little places and score. Hang on, I got my hands full. How's that Jamaica juice?
Delicious. Have you noticed all the Jamaica juice tastes different?
But that's still not tacos or elotes.
¿Le voy a poner chilito, patrón?
No, gracias. He's squeezing lemon juice on it.
Unas fresitas con crema, patrón.
See, it looks good.
¿Para ir comiendo o se lo pongo para llevar?
Comiendo.
Para ir comiendo. Ah.
Mi panza listo.
Sí, ¿no?
All right. Just put there on the mesa, por favor. All right, there we go. We got some cantaloupe, some watermelon, some piña. ¿En qué es the fruta de abajo?
Tuna.
Tuna? No, say tuna. Okay.
That's kiwi, Dad.
Kiwi?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like kiwi. Gracias. Buen día.
Que le vea bien.
You want to carry the fruit? Okay. The niña le gusta. All right. Adios. No, it's good. It's fine. Let's see. Gracias. Buen día. Man, loving this market. Look at all this stuff.
What are those? Those look like frog eggs. Like,
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso, mamá? What? I don't know. No sé. Okay, let's go. Keep walking. Gracias. Look, hey.
no way!
I know.
Let's get some. They look a little bad though.
Yeah, they don't look so good, do they? My kids love those hairy fruit-looking things. Ajo, habaneros, right here. Let's see what the tacos are here. Buenas tardes.
Hola, bueno.
¿Qué es la carne?
Tacos de bistec.
¿Bistec?
Bistec, longaniza, y cecina enchilada y chuleta.
Okay, bistec. ¿Cuántos pesos?
22.
For uno?
Uno.
Okay, gracias. All right, let's go. That's high for a taco, for a little taco. It's over $1 for a little one. I like that fruit stand had its price hanging there. That was awesome. Buenas tardes. Look at the garlic.
Gracias a los medianos.
Medianos.
Aunque malgastes mi cariño.
Chicharrones. Chicharrones. Still don't see the elotes anywhere.
Mañana puede ser.
Yo creo que de los pelos quedan pegados.
Coconuts. No ifs, ands, buts, no coconuts.
La bola fue extraída. Los daños al tejido reparados. Presión de 120 sobre 81, frecuencia de 74 por minuto.
There's some embroidery stuff. Look at that. Look at that big old cabbage. There's a leak in the boat. Look at those big cups of watermelon.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Cuando sabemos que
What's that? Don't hit your head on that. I didn't even see that. That was like clear. Look, that's canela. It's canela. It's canela. Sí.
las varitas están en 20 pesos.
All right, gracias. Canela. We drank a lot of canela when we were in Colombia. We still haven't found the elotes.
Están ricas las ¿No quieres envolverlo en el voluntariamente? ¿Cómo te llamas? Samantha.
No, there's a fish. You guys want to kiss a fish? Catherine, how come you're not eating that? It doesn't taste good or what? It doesn't taste good or what? Okay. Oh, look, they're doing nails here. ¿Cuántos pesos de dedos? For mi niña.
Jelly o
No, just limpiar and some pintar.
bueno, vienen 100 la aplicación.
100? Okay, do you want to do your nails here? Okay. Regresa. ¿Cuántos minutos?
Híjole, yo creo que unos 20, unos
20.
20
Okay.
minutitos.
Perfecto. Gracias. It just goes on and on and on. We've been walking for 16 minutes. Got a little bit of everything in here. Does it have honey?
Le quema grasa, mire.
There's some gut taco ingredients. Well, I'm looking for food. That's kind of the priority. We're finding everything else, but we're not finding food that we can, one, that we want to eat, and two, that I feel like it's a fair price for what we're buying. Yeah, this is where we started this morning, right? He's got a lot more out now, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I think we're back close to our streets, but we still haven't found the
Wasn't that a
elotes.
different guy though?
No, he just got it. The booth looks different because it's got all the covers. It's got a lot more Legos out. We're pretty close to the apartment. We should just go drop off these oranges and stuff and then come back. And then we can be more focused on finding food. See a Whataburger tablecloth. Whataburger? I never did see the elotes. And they couldn't have been that far because those people hadn't, I mean, there's no way they'd still be eating an elote after walking that far. Okay, there you go. There's the mercado. We're gonna run by the apartment and drop our stuff off.